will discuss about the next topic, that is the incomplete dominance. Before that, we already discussed about the law of dominance. In the law of dominance, what happened? There are crossing in between the one parent, and in which only dominant character which is expressed and recessive character which is suppressed in presence of dominant character. Okay, but in which the opposite things are seen into that, that is incomplete dominance, or the name of that incomplete dominance means dominant character incomplete dominance. What is the definition, or what is the expression of that incomplete dominance? Both the genes of allelomorphic pair, both the genes of allelomorphic pair express themselves partially, both the genes of allelomorphic pair means we know that these are the alleles. Okay, in which what happened, these alleles which is not expressed equally, expressed partially means what, that is it is not expressed equally. One gene cannot suppress, and one gene cannot suppress the expression of the other completely. म्हणजे एक in the law of dominance what happened, dominant character suppress the recessive character, but in which what happened, one of the gene cannot suppress to another gene, in which means that is in presence of one gene, this expression another gene which is express themselves, in which, so that we are saying that one gene cannot suppress the expression of the other completely. म्हणजे दुसरा जो जीन आहे त्याचं एक्सप्रेशन जे आहे तो पहिला जीन जो आहे तो दुसऱ्या जीनला कंट्रोल करणार नाही. Thus the pair is not as a one dominant and the other is recessive. So that we are saying that the pair is not as a one dominant and the other recessive. In the law of dominance what happened, that is one of the recessive character and one of the dominant character. This dominant character which is suppressed to that of the recessive character, but in the incomplete dominance this thing will not seen, in which what happened, that is there is a one gene cannot suppress to expression of the other completely, so that the pair is not as the dominant the other recessive. इथे आपल्याला एक डॉमिनंट किंवा एक रेसेसिव्ह दिसणार नाही. सो दॅट इन विच द इंटरमिडिएट एक्सप्रेशन इन द F1 हायब्रिड, ज्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला काय दिसेल, इन विच व्हॉट हॅपन, दॅट इज वन ऑफ द इंटरमिडिएट इज सीन, नॉट depend on that one of the male parent or one of the female parent. When these two parents cross to each other, it forms the one of intermediate form. So that we are saying that both the gene of allelomorphic pair express themselves partially, means express not equally. Themselves partially means it express not equally. One gene cannot suppress to that of the expression of the other completely, so that the pair is not as the dominant, one of the dominant and other is recessive. In which what happened, that is the one of intermediate expression is seen in the F1 hybrid. The famous example of this incomplete dominance, that is the 4 o'clock plant, that is called as the Mirabilis jalafa. Mirabilis jalafa, another one of the now we will discuss about one of the example, that is Mirabilis jalafa. Red, one of the parent, that is red cross with that of the white, red cross with that of the white. These are the phenotype, and what are the genotype, that is capital R for this red, capital R, and for the white small r, in which the gametes are capital R, small r, and when it cross to each other it forms the small r, that is the capital R and small r, and it is responsible to color the pink. We are saying that in the incomplete dominant it is not depend on that of the parental alleles. It form the intermediate, that is the capital R small r, and this capital R small r which is विच इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू फॉर्म द इंटरमिडिएट, म्हणजे थर्ड कलरच तयार होता. इथे आपल्याला रेड किंवा व्हाईट दिसत आहे का? नाही. इन विच फॉर्म द पिंक कलर, दॅट इज कॅपिटल आर स्मॉल आर जर असेल तर तिथे आपण काय म्हणणार आहोत? पिंक कलर. इट इज वन ऑफ द इंटरमिडिएट ऑफ द रेड अँड white color. This is one of the F1 generation. When we see the F2 generation, at that time what happened? Through that of the checkerboard, we are discussing about the F2 generation. Capital R, small r. For the F2 generation, what we are doing? That is the selfing of F1. Selfing of F1. So you can see here what is the ratio of the incomplete dominance, capital R, small r. Now cross that is capital R, capital R, capital R, small r, capital R, small r, small r, small r. Now so both these are the dominant or capital R, capital R. This capital R which is responsible to red color. So it is the red offspring. Then capital R, small r means what? It is the pink. So we have to write here that is the P, in which small r means what? White. So what is the ratio of that? What is the ratio of that? That is 25 red color, 50-50, 25 white color, and 50 that is the pink color. Means for example that is 1:2. What is the phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio? 1:2:1. So how it is? That is 1 means red, is to 2 that is the pink, and is to 1 that is the white. Okay, means in the F1 generation intermediate is formed, and in the F2 generation there is a possibilities or there is a formation of the पॅरेंटल कलर्स. म्हणजे आपल्याला पहिल्या F1 जनरेशनमध्ये तर आपल्याला पॅरेंट्सचं रोल काही दिसणार नाही. इंटरमिडिएट फॉर्ममध्ये स्पीसीज तयार होताना दिसेल किंवा ऑफस्प्रिंग दिसेल. बट इन द F2 जनरेशन वेन वी सी द F2 generation, at that time you have to see here that is the parental red color and white color into that of the ratio 1:2:1. So the ratio of incomplete dominance, that is the 1:2:1. Okay, this is about the incomplete dominance.